Welcome to Smart Kitchen Products Hub. Today, we are reviewing the Ninja Professional Plus Kitchen System BN801. This all-in-one system is designed for smoothies, frozen drinks, meal prep, and everyday family cooking. Its 1400 peak watt motor can blend frozen fruit, ice, protein powder, and greens for smooth, consistent drinks. It also includes 2 personal cups, making it easy to prepare a quick smoothie or protein shake for busy mornings. The food processor bowl helps with meal prep by chopping vegetables, making salsa, and preparing ingredients faster. With a large pitcher and processor bowl, it is a useful choice for families and home cooks. The included dough blade can also handle smaller pizza, cookie, and similar dough batches. Auto IQ programs use timed blending and pulsing to make operations simple and consistent. The package includes the motor base, blender pitcher, food processor bowl, blades, personal cups, and travel lids. Most removable parts are dishwasher safe, helping make cleanup easier after use. The main drawbacks are its larger counter footprint and the noise expected from a high-powered blender. However, compared with a standard blender, the Ninja BN801 offers more flexibility for food prep, smoothies, dough, and family-size recipes. Overall, the Ninja BN801 is a strong all-in-one kitchen system for anyone who wants more than a basic blender. To check today's price and product details, use the Amazon link in the description. Thank you for watching Smart Kitchen Products Hub.